This is RPAS Preflight Buddy, a complete flight operations logger for Transport Canada drone pilots. In the next few minutes, you'll see everything. First time setup, planning and flying a full operations day, generating your official flight log, and the built-in Ontario Aerodrome directory. Let's start from a fresh install. The first time you open the app, you're met with a one-time setup. It registers your pilot profile in your aircraft, so every flight log you generate carries the right credentials automatically. Tap Begin Setup. You can also skip this and add everything later under Resources. Step 1 is your pilot profile. Enter your full name, your Transport Canada pilot certificate number, and pick your certificate type, basic, advanced, or level 1 complex. Add your certificate expiry and a contact number, then tap Next. Step 2 registers your primary aircraft. Give it a nickname, enter the make, model, and serial number, and your Transport Canada registration number. The weight class selector tells you exactly what each category requires. Tap Review when you're done. Confirm your details on the review card and tap Complete Setup. That's it. You'll never see this screen again, and everything here stays editable under Resources. This is your dashboard, the home screen. Up top, your compliance and currency status, maintenance alerts, and your flight hours at a glance. Along the bottom, 5 modules: dashboard, fly, aerodromes, records, and resources. Every part of the app is one tap away. The site survey map is built in. Tap anywhere to set your operation point, and the app checks it against 725 Ontario aerodromes, drawing 3-mile and 1-mile advisory rings automatically. It's advisory only. Always confirm airspace in the CFS and nav drone. Before we fly, a quick stop in Resources. This is where your fleet, your crew roster, and your batteries live. Open the Batteries tab and tap Add Battery. Give it a label, assign it to an aircraft, and enter its current cycle count. From now on, every flight you log against this battery counts its cycles up automatically. Now, the heart of the app, the Fly module. This runs a complete Transport Canada flight day in 5 steps, ending in an official flight log. You can review or customize the pre-flight checklist from here too. Tap Start Today's Operations. Step 1, Operations Commencement. Date and start time are already stamped, and because you're the sole registered pilot with one aircraft, the app fills both in for you. That's the confirmation bar at the top. Add any crew or visual observers, your location and GPS coordinates, the airspace class, and the purpose of flight. Then, Next. Step 2, Weather. Tap Autofill and the app pulls live conditions for your location, wind, temperature, and the KP index, which you verify against what you see on site. Then make the call that matters. Go or no go. If conditions aren't acceptable, the app records a no-go and stops the day right there. Step 3, the pre-flight checklist. Work through it item by item. The progress bar tracks you. This is a hard gate. The continue button stays locked until every item is confirmed. The checklist is fully customizable, and your changes apply to every future flight day. Step 4, the flights themselves. At takeoff, tap Stamp Time. When you land, stamp again. Duration is calculated for you. Pick the battery you flew. Note your maximum altitude. The app reminds you of the 400-foot limit and add any notes. Flying more than once today. Tap Add Flight and repeat. When the day's flying is done, head to Shutdown. Step 5, Shutdown. Record your end time, the post-flight condition of the aircraft, and any incidents or observations. Write none if the day was clean. Then the sign-off. As pilot in command, you confirm the record is accurate and complete. That unlocks the final button. Tap Generate Official Flight Log. And there it is, your official flight log. Operations details, weather, checklist confirmation, every flight with times and durations, and your signed declaration. Send it by text or email with Share, print it, or save it as a PDF. Tap Done to head back to the dashboard. Back home, everything has updated itself. Your hours, your currency, your battery cycles, and the flight now sits in your recent activity. The Records module keeps your complete history. Tap any flight log to reopen the full official document. Reprint or reshare at any time. The Maintenance tab logs inspections and repairs against each aircraft, and Currency tracks your recency requirements. From here, you can also back up everything to a single file and restore it on any device. The Aerodromes module is a full directory of all 911 Ontario aerodromes. Search by name, ICAO code, or city, and open any field for its frequencies, tower, ground, ATIS, plus a live decoded METAR with a flight category badge. The Radio Briefing tab teaches proper radio phraseology, and Get Cleared walks you through contacting a controlled field step by step. One last touch, the theme toggle in the top bar switches the entire app between light and dark, and it remembers your choice. That's RPAS Preflight Buddy. Set up once, fly your day in 5 guided steps, and every official record writes itself. From Smart Earth Build Solutions, fly safe.